What is a significant figure? Significant figures are numbers in a measurement, such as 25 feet, 37 seconds, or 500 liters. A measurement with more significant figures is more accurate than a measurement with less significant figures. 300 feet is less accurate than 315 feet, which is less accurate than 315.984 feet. The difference between the measurements is the amount of significant figures in each. So, how do you know what a significant figure is? Well, all numbers 1 through 9 are automatically significant figures. 0 is only a significant figure if it is between two numbers other than 0. For example, the number 300 has only one significant figure, the 3, while 405 has three significant figures due to the 0 being between two significant figures. In this number, the zeros in the front are not significant to the measurement. Only the last three digits are significant figures in the number, as the zeros in the front are known as leading zeros and are not significant. On the other hand, 40,500,000 has 5 trailing zeros, which are not significant. In this case, it also has 3 significant figures, being the 4, 0, and 5. As another example, the number 80 has only one significant figure. In the case of numbers larger than 1 with decimal places, any digit in the decimal is a significant number. So 8.9000000 has 8 significant figures. When looking at numbers smaller than 1, such as 0.90500, first digit that is not 0 is the first significant number. Any number to the right of the first significant figure is significant. So this number has 7 significant figures, with the first significant figure being the 1. Using significant figures in rounding. Let's say that you're doing a lab in class. You measure 156 liters of water, but your teacher says you need to round to 2 significant figures. Rounding significant figures is like rounding in math class. Since you want to round to 2 significant figures, in this case, you round to the tens place. With a number equal to or greater than a 5, one place to the right, you round up, getting 160 liters of water. Multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. When adding and subtracting, you must round to the least accurate place to the right of the decimal. Let's say that you want to make 2 chemicals react. You measure out 25.5 milliliters of one substance and 11.55 milliliters of another substance in graduated cylinders. When you add them together, you calculate that there is 37.05 milliliters of the substance. But when adding and subtracting significant figures, you must round to the least accurate decimal place. Since the least accurate number, 25.5, has only one significant figure to the right of the decimal, you round to there, getting 37.1. If you want to have 12.55 and 14.354, then the answer 26.904 would round to 26.90, as the 12.55 has the least number of places in the decimal. If you are adding or subtracting whole numbers, such as 580 minus 300, you would not round. In this case, the answer would be 280. Multiplying or dividing with significant figures uses a different set of rules than adding or subtracting. When multiplying and dividing, you must have the same number of significant figures as your least accurate number. For example, if you have about 3 cups of water, but you want 11 times as much, you can't say that you have exactly 33 cups of water. Since the least accurate number, 3, is only one significant figure, your answer must have only one significant figure. Using rounding, you can find that you have about 30 cups of water. In another example, if you multiply 33 by 40, you would have one significant figure. The answer 1,320 must have the proper amount of significant figures, making the correct answer 1,000. The same process happens when dividing. If you divide 675 by 15, the answer must have 2 significant figures, due to the least accurate number only having 2 significant figures. Since the answer 45 already has 2 significant figures, we can leave the answer as it is.